how to earn Yelp badges. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can earn Yelp badges. Alright, now the first step to do is to log in into your Yelp's account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your home page automatically where you would see a list of options. Now, the first kind of badge that you can get is the rookie badge. And then to get this rookie badge, you have to check in to 2 places within 2 months using the Yelp mobile application, not the desktop version. Okay, this will earn you the rookie badge if you check in into 2 places within a month. Now, for the true Yelper badge, you have to check into a business and then write a review for that business. Okay, completing these 2 actions would guarantee you the true helper badge. So, for example, if this is the business that you want to check into, you can just select it and then you'll be directed to the page where you can write a review. So after checking into the review, the next thing here is to select a rating for the restaurant, attach a photo if you want to. Then you can now post your photo and post your review. With this, you earn a chance of earning the true Yelper badge. All right. Now another badge that can be earned is the pro badge. Now this badge you can earn it by checking into about 20 places in the same week. All right, checking in for about 20 places in the same week. All right, so this is more taxing, but the badge is higher than the rest. So by the time you're checking into different places, different restaurants, 20 different places in a same week, you will receive the pro badge. All right, so just check the businesses that you'd like to check in into and then earn your badge. Another badge you can earn is the mobile striker badge. In this you have to check into businesses every day for 6 to 7 days consecutively to earn the mobile striker badge. Yes. So for example, you can just select any of the restaurants here to check into, or you can go to the up part of the screen and then search for a place that you want, and then go ahead check in into different restaurants from within 6 to 7 days consecutively to earn the mobile striker badge. Then that badge you can earn is domestic badge. This is to check into 3 different domestic shopping places in a single day to obtain domestic badge. All right, so to do this you can just go back to your home screen and then in the search box type out shopping places or supermarkets or supermarkets where you can get items from, 3 different ones, checking into them, leave reviews, and then you'll be able to obtain the domestic badge. And lastly, the master badge, which is the highest of all, you can achieve 200. If you can achieve 200 check-ins into businesses, you'll be able to unlock the ultimate badge, which is the master badge. So this is how it works. Okay, so Yelp may add or retire badges. All right, so just keep exploring and enjoying your Yelp journey. Thank you for watching.